Hey folks, this is my carport slash smoke shed, I guess you could call it, that I built over the summer. Just want to kind of give you a little quick rundown here. This section of the carport is actually 12 feet wide and 32 feet deep. Part of the reason for it was to store my mower and golf cart and stuff in here. But the other part was to get my grills and smokers somewhere to kind of hang out. And I've got my little folding tables. I got kind of a little studio thing kind of set up here, and it gives me somewhere to store my coolers and extra cookers and different things like that. And one thing I wanted to show you here is something my wife had made for me for Christmas. She had this made for me. I don't know who made it actually. She got it off of somebody online, and it looks really great. I've actually got it mounted on this older refrigerator here that I got. My wife's uncle was getting rid of it. He got a new refrigerator for his garage and was getting rid of this, so I took this one and put it in my garage here. And this is where I keep all my adult beverages in here, kind of keep them chilled. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a kind of a quick rundown of my little area that I've got to work with here. Outside it is super windy today. I don't know if you can see it right now. I've got some of my other smokers outside here. And on a windy, rainy day like today, it doesn't help a whole lot. But it's nice to have somewhere inside to kind of keep all my stuff, and it's sort of a mini man cave, I guess you could call it. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick little video of what I've got to work with out here. Thank you for watching.